It's another beautiful day once again, guys, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to bring to you a man who started with 35 goats and now has 200 goats in just a period of 2 years. So we are going to meet him and he will discuss more with us. Where did you get this idea of starting goat farming?
Okay. I was I was in Kamenge. There is some friend of mine who is there. The one who told me about rearing goats.
So and the one who really inspired you.
Exactly.
And is this venture really profitable?
Of course. Every month I always sell 20 goats.
Every month.
Every month.
How much do you get roughly if you do just a rough calculation? How much do you get from,
Each goat I always sell at 300,000.
So you mean, guys, you can do your own calculation. If you get 300,000 Uganda shillings multiplied by 20, which he sells every month, you'll be able to get how much he earns in a month, which is really lucrative. And is it so hard to feed, manage all these goats?
It is too hard to feed because here in Bosco we don't have land. We don't have land where you can rear these goats. At first, before I rear these goats, I first bought a land which can manage these goats because I have a lot of goats. You see, even in my house place, we have other house up there, so you cannot really put a lot of these goats here. Others they are there.
Now, you have said that you have a challenge in feeding these goats. Do you do them grazing or you just raise them out on free range?
Of course, I always use free range. Yeah.
How do you get land to free range? Or is all of the land yours, or you just go and graze everywhere?
No, this land is mine. The land is mine. So the land is just capable just to feed my goats.
How many acres actually?
I have 52 acres.
Guys, I think you will be able to understand this, starting with 35 goats, reaching 200 goats, and 50 acres, So it is really something that, everyone can, let us hear his advice to the new starters, or if you are out there and you want to start a goat farming, what advice can you give to the people who want to start up goat farming?
At first, you have to encourage people. If you are capable to rear the goats, you have to leave other factors constant. You only concentrate on goats because you have to buy a medicine, you have to get a vet who can always come and see whether the goats are good. You buy a good deodip to spray them. So we always just be having having the arbafas, arbafas for medication to give these younger goats, even those big ones, like that.
How long have you been doing this venture?
Is it 2 months? 2 years.
Yeah.
2 years.
Guys, he has experience of 2 years, so he have a lot he has learned. He has have a lot of difficulties. What was your most difficult time on the farm?
Okay, the problem is the land here. The land is small. The land is small. So this small smallest one, these young goats, if you leave them here, it is simply getting some diseases. You put them aside, these young ones, you put them aside, then if you want them to come and get something from their moms, they have to come here, they mill it, after that, you take them aside again.
Okay, guys, I say that the challenge part is dealing with the young goats and the bigger goats ones, you know. And the way I see the environment, it looks like as if he's a bush. I don't know whether I will call him a bushman. I'm sorry for that, but it looks like a bush. How are you able to deal with security, issues?
You know, I have right here, lights. And another thing, we have security there in Ghana. So here the security is tight.
No safety.
Yeah.
Okay. And guys, another thing maybe I can ask him to encourage you to do, maybe, or the advice he can give you. How many goats could you advise someone to start with if he really wants to start up this business?
If you are able to do this, one goat is enough. Just you be able to do these things, you fast, like they will have that one goat can walk.
So, okay, he just advised that you should not start, you should not procrastinate when you say, I'm going to start with 200, 100, or plus. Just what you have to think in mind is that you have to just start. Whether you have one goat or you have whatever number you have, you can be able to start and then, keep on progressing from there. So, what last word can you give to the people out there who are?
Thank you so much. I can give some advice to the people who can start up this project. If they are not far, they can come here and I give them the way how they can do it. Another thing, if they are able, they can come and I give something to
So I say that if you're willing to start goat farming, you are always welcome to run from this demonstration farm. He will give you everything and most knowledge, practical, show you how they are doing it. And if you're still viewing me up to now, I'm Abraham Tumrabi, CEO at mwizafarm, and see you soon in the next episode.